Hey, we're out here at dock diving class. It's going to be Cleo's 4th class. She's learning how to swim. Eventually, hopefully she does that. How cool would that be? Thanks for watching this series. Thanks for tuning in. If you could do me a giant favor, watch to the end of the video. It really helps us out. Give us a thumbs up, share us, and let us know what you think about Great Dane swimming and dock diving in the comments below. Get it, Cleo, go! Get it! Go get it! Get it, Cleo! Go on, get it!
Holy moly!
Go get it, Cleo. Get it.
Son of a biscuit eater! I've got it!
Good girl, yay!
Good job, Cleo.
Yay!
Come on up here, baby. Ready? Go.
Come on, go get it!
Yeah, go girl. Atta girl, good job.
Good girl!
Ready, set, go, Cleo. Go.
Get it!
She's so big and strong. She's like, I'll just run you over.
Yeah, that's the way you're gonna go. That's the way you're gonna go eventually. Huh?
Shoulder?
Yeah. Yes, sir, Cleo. Oh.
I'm here.
You hold her lower. Ready, set,
Yeah!
go.
Good girl!
That was good!
Good girl!
Yay!
Good girl!
Now that was an official jump.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you getting brave now? Yeah, ready. Yeah. Go, Cleo, go.
Yeah! Yay, Cleo! What a good job!
Yeah, it does. How much is she? 120, 30?
No, she's only like 105. Yeah.
No, muscle.
Well, 105 pounds is a lot of weight. Pushing up your foot is a lot. Ready, Cleo? Oh my gosh, yeah. Now it's getting fun, huh? Ready, set, go, Cleo, go.
Good job. Good girl.
I'm so proud of you. Oh my gosh. Ready, set, go.
Did you see her sit?
Oh, it's just not saying set.
Yeah.
Say ready, go.
Yeah.
Good girl. I don't want you to sit. I don't want Ready? Ready. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Can I get it? Ready? 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 Go! 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 You almost bowled me over. No. No. No.
Come on,
Get
chicken.
it. Go,
Go.
Cleo, go.
Come on.
Cleo,
Where are you
go.
going? Go.
Go, 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 go.
Go
Yeah,
get it.
good girl, go.
Hey.
I've got it.
Oh my God, you did. I gotta get in like a football stand.
She's quite a dog.
Cleo, come here, girlie. Want you one more, baby? Ready? Ready. Set. Not set. Ready. Go.
Bingo.
Go, 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 go. So you see what happens when they knock until they won't push. They just kind of fall it, and that's still just a little confidence, a little hesitation. So when they're really confident, they'll show them. I keep pushing pretty well down here.
Yeah.
Ah, go to it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Cleo. Go. Get it. Go.
I'm gonna get your toy.
Keep talking out that way.
I'm gonna get your toy. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna play with it. Can I play with your toy?
Yeah, okay. Let her play.